what's up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. So for today's video guys, we are going to grocery. So mag-grocery me today, weekly grocery. Or sometimes wala po siya sahay. Mahimo siya every other week na mga grocery. Patuloy mi karon sa grocery guys. Mag-grocery ni kay wala na mi pagkaon, wala na mi food, wala na sulod ng wrap, wala na goods,
wala na food mga bata,
wala na sabon, wala na panligo, wala na panghugas sa plato, wala na toothbrush, wala na toothpaste. Tanan guys, so
very hupos after
2 weeks lang no? I
So,
think one week naman kapin yata.
1 week lang.
Yeah, 1 week kapin guys. So we need na po
Sad life.
namo nga mag-restock
Refill.
or refill sa among mga goods.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, see you later.
Tara. Ubanta guys. Grocery.
Hello guys. We're in grocery.
Hello guys. Grocery time. Okay. Pili na go. Do you want? Asa? Ito yung mamiss namin sa Coron, yung mag-grocery every week. Yan. Pero okay lang, ayos lang. Meron pa din namang grocery sa Coron. Pamahala, anong mamiss mo mahal?
This
Hotdog.
What?
We got Oreos. Oh, Nutella. Bread. The bread. What is the bread? Bread. 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 Yay. So, we got Nutella and bread. We got Nutella and bread. Hello, Mommy. Hello, Mommy.
Bukton lang.
Hello. Mommy knows. The elevator. Elevator. Sige, tawag ka na. Elevator. Elevator. That's not elevator. That's escalator. Stairs is moving. Why that's so weird. Why that stairs is moving? Okay. Oh. What's wood?
Say hi.
Hello guys.
Yeah.
Done?
We're done.
Bye guys. Bye.
Hi guys, what's up?
Hi guys.
So it's bayad time.
Exciting part. Exciting part of grocery.
Yeah, bayad time tayo guys.
Ato.
Hi guys, so we're done. What's up? Hi. Surprise. So, tapos na kami na grocery guys.
And
So,
dinner.
and dinner at the same time, kaya naabtan mi og 6 p.m. So, yun. Nagkain na lang din kami para pag uwi sa bahay,
Sleep.
sleep na, rest na, wala nang kain. Diba? What's up? So, yun. Update lang sa grocery namin. So, usually, yung expense namin is umaabot ng 5K every grocery namin. Hindi talaga yan siya bababa ng 5,000 yung grocery namin, yung expense namin. So, yun. Medyo mahirap ang buhay, pero laban lang. So, limit talaga kami ng 5,000 minimum. And hindi na kami umaabot ng 7,000 up siguro ganun. So usually 5,000-6,000 yung mga expense namin for grocery. That's every week or every other week. So bale every month yung nagagastos namin for groceries umaabot yata ng mga almost 15K a month. Yan. Ganon yung buhay namin, guys. So, kailangan talaga yon kasi pag hindi kami gagasta sa grocery, wala kaming kakainin. Ganon talaga yung ganon talaga ang buhay.
Kaya work na naman.
Yeah. So, kailangan dumiskarte at magtrabaho.
Yes.
So, yun lang yung update namin guys. Tapos na kami and then pauwi na kami ngayon. And thank you for watching. Bye-bye. See you on our next vlog.